What's up to all my creators out there? Hey, if you live in Florida or anywhere, you know this. Look, it is a very windy day. I'm filming right now on my Google Pixel 7 Pro phone. It's inside the car, so this should be blocked out of the wind. There's no, I have no mic on. If you are a creator, you know there's a lot of times where you have video that's not even usable, because if you don't have the decent sound to go with it, if you have nothing but this sound, like just see that, it's a pretty day, but nobody wants to listen to all that. Let me put you back down here. So this new DJI system, I bought it myself. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I'm not even near that big of a channel. Anyways, it comes with 2 wireless mics you can clip onto your shirt, and you can have more than one. You can have one person and then dual track, and then also it comes with the this receiver that will connect right into the Osmos Action 3 camera, or if you have a iPhone or a Google Pixel phone like I do now, then you can connect it to that. So this is the audio just straight from the phone. It's in my car. And like I said, when I say it's windy today, it's cutting pretty good. So about as typical winter day in South Florida. So we're gonna see what it sounds like when I start using these mics. One cool thing is it comes automatically with these dead cats that you can put right over the microphone port, and they just snap right on in. That's supposed to keep the noise down. Now I'm going to hook up the transmitter to the Google Pixel phone. Let me know what the sound, if the sound's different. Okay, I am now connected to the DJI Mic system. I have the second receiver turned off. It should be off. So it's just one receiver working. We're going to test both in a moment, but the cool thing about this so far is that I can walk really far away. I don't know if the wind noise is being picked up or not. You can see my shirt's wrapping in the breeze. Birds are flying, there's some background noise. Motorcycles over there. One thing I do notice about this thing is that it's a little bulky. It's bulky on the shirt. It's kind of heavy actually. And it's connected on the inside with a magnet. You put a magnet on the inside and put it on. But I also read that there's a trick to that you can literally just use a lavalier mic and connect it right to this mic. And I'm about to test that out too, because guess what? I picked up a PowerDeWise Lavalier mic, and I'm going to hook it to this, and I can just put this in my pocket, and I got a lightweight lavalier mic that I can use. So we're going to try that in a moment. Let me know if this, I'm about to find out if this wind is picking up, because look, you can see it's windy. All right, this is with the PowerDeWise mic. Like I said, it's still windy. I got it clipped here. It's probably not the most professional way, but and I've got the receiver in my pocket. I'm just walking around giving this a test. Yeah. Feels nice out today, by the way. It's like 75 degrees, but it's just windy. And this is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. No microphone attached. It's just stock setup. Just literally just walking around and recording. So I can zoom in on up to this water. Is this so clear? I thought that was a bird earlier. Look, see that right there? I love how this will zoom in. And look, it's a stick. But it literally looked like a bird from over here. A little bird sticking its head up out of the. This is what it sounds like with a Google Pixel 7 Pro with no mic attached. Alright, I'm now using the new Action 3 by DJI. It's got the 10-bit color. I have the lavalier mic hooked up. This is not stock sound. I will take it off and you can hear what it sounds like without the mics. That's why the mics are crucial. Okay, this is the DJI Action 3 in the wind out here with no mic attached. This is how it comes right out of the box. And this is more or less a test for me, but if somebody else out there finds this useful, awesome, because we all deal with this wind noise. I don't know if the sound is going to be bad or not. You let me know. But typically this is how, when I'm doing something I'm filming, the wind will be like this and it would completely ruin what I'm trying to do. So, and I gotta go and edit it and spend time doing all that. And now for my next trick. So the DJI mic system, it comes with 2 microphones. And I'm here by myself, but what I want to try is, like, if I had more than one person with me, can I record both sounds directly into my Action 3 or my whatever camera I'm using? Can I film directly, you know? So I'm going to play one of my YouTube videos. It's the one that I did all those stupid fails. So it's going to be like I'm talking in the car, and I've got my lavalier mic here, and we're going to walk over here and I'm going to see if both sounds are being broadcasted in at the same time. As you can see, it's still awfully windy. I cannot hear the car right now. I cannot hear myself talking over there. I have no idea if I'm talking or not. Actually, I know I am talking in the video. But this would be like if 2 people had the mics and they were, you know, away from each other. Now, I can't hear, but we're able to both, you know, speak at the same time.
Thanks again for joining.
If you ever needed a reason to do that.
For my meal or my prep, I'm gonna sit and have this meal. My son back with me.
Next up will be
a couple weeks ago.
the Action 3 camera recording with. Let me turn myself off.
Once again, I want to say thanks for joining me on this.
Well, for my next trick, about 1/10 of a mile down that way, it's a park bench. I'm gonna go down there and sit on it. I'm gonna see if this old mic still picks the sound up. Anybody wondering why I'm hobbling like this is because I've got really bad arthritis in my knees. Not to mention I injured myself a couple weeks ago. That's what I get for all the running I did. I'm just about halfway. No idea if the sound's being picked up or not. A little transmitter thing here is still green, so. So no idea why or if anybody needed to film themselves this far away from their camera, but with the wireless camera system, should allow you to do that. Oh, I'm tired. No. All right. Well, I'm gonna hobble my way back. I'll put it through some Benny Hill. I'll fast forward. Well, that's my review for this mic system setup. I'm gonna go home and hear how it sounds and get ready for the Super Bowl today. Well, to finish it off, I'm gonna finish it with no mic. I have the mic detached from the Action 3. This is what it sounds like if I start walking away. And there is wind, but it's since I got the camera inside the vehicle, it shouldn't be picking up the wind. But just for giggles, here it comes. So yeah, folks, if you want to get yourself a mic and you want to do some more outdoors and stuff like that, videos, this is a good thing to get, I think. But as I said, this is more or less a test for me, but if somebody else out there can find it useful, then awesome. Because those of us that film outdoors a lot, you know, if you're inside a studio and all that stuff, you don't have to worry about all this stuff. But when you come out in the elements, this is part of the deal. You just got to deal with it. Now, one thing I do notice with the mic system is not very much waterproof, you know. You don't go underwater with them. Not sure how they're going to handle it in the rain if I ever get them wet, but I'll have to keep that at bay. That's why you keep a waterproof box with you all the time. So, but this is my it's still, the wind is still howling.